The economy retractor is extremely durable. It has a 1-year warranty and has a 100 RCAT rating, which means that the retractor can go up and down at least 100 times. And what's great is the economy retractor has a lot of bang for its buck. It may be an economy, but it's a very high quality, sturdy, durable retractor. And also the economy retractor covers a wide range of sizes. So you can get anything from a tabletop version to a 24-inch, to a 31.5-inch, to a 33.5-inch, to a 36-inch, and a 48-inch. So it covers a wide range of different sizes so that it can fit into a variety of situations. So it's a very versatile retractor. And the economy retractor comes in 2 different base colors and 3 material options. So the 2 different base colors are silver and black. The only one that doesn't come in silver is the 24-inch floor version. The economy retractor also is available in 3 different material options. You have the no-curl hybrid media, you have the no-curl opaque fabric, and aluminum. The economy retractor is a very versatile and durable retractor. With so many options, it is able to fit anyone's budget or need.